the values in Power BI. Today we will learn that, and with that we will be using it as a drill through entry chart, right? So this is my file where I have these four tables: center, product, purchase, region, town, right? Now I will group all these. If you see here in this exercise, it's saying that add a new group based on product name column by clicking three dots next to it. So if you see product, right, and what I will do, I will click here and I will click on this one, right, on group name, product group. So I will click here the new group, right? So in this new group I can name it as product group, right? Product group. And now let's see in our exercise what are the groups that we wanted to make. So first is this. Okay, so it's saying that we want to rename the group as toy type, right? So I will rename it as toy type. And then first I will take the soft toys, in which we have Sammy, Oliver, Kylie, Vanilla, and Dave. So I will select Dave, group with Vanilla. I will just delete this first, ungroup this, and also this. I will just select Dave, then Vanilla, then we have Sammy, Oliver, we have Oliver, then we have Sammy, then we have Kylie, right? And then I will click on group, and then I will name it as soft toys, right? This is one group. Now the next group is Anglerpath, this one, I don't know how to pronounce it, Imogen, this one, then Oscar, Nora, Bob. So Oscar, Nora, and Bob. So this would be learning toys, right? And then the third group is Laila, Yoko, Pyoko, Laila, Yoko, Pokyo, and Calropatra. So we will name it as baby toys. And whatever are left, we will name it as others. So this is how I will name all these into groups. Right now, if you can see here, a toy type group has appeared here. And if you see, if I add this in a chart, which is this tree map, right? And then in the category, I take toy type, which is this one. And in the values, I take quantity, which is from the purchase table. Let's say this one, right? Then you will see in this table, so after taking quantity, if you see now, I have only 4 of these, right? This soft toy, learning toy, and baby toys, and others. And if you see on the website, we are having the same. So this is how you can use a group function, group through, in Power BI to add an overall values, add an overall to get your final outcome. All right. And yep, this is it. And if you want, like, you wanted to get some extra things, for example, you can also use drill through here as in our previous exercises. If I just click on, let's say, if for drill through I've just taken soft toys and I just added one page where I will just take let's say the product name, right, and the quantity, the price, or whatever I just wanted to take. So if I take toy type here as a drill through and I just click cancel from here. So now if I just go and click on this soft toy, right, and then I just click on right, and then I will drill through on page 2, then I will see all these soft toys values here. So this is how you use grouping, then you use drill through to go deeper into the data. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.